So we are taking a look at example 3. It is more of the same. We're going to plug into this lovely formula and find an ending account balance for a periodic deposit. So this says you deposit $750 quarterly into a bank account that pays 6.4% interest compounded quarterly. Notice that the way I deposit and how it's compounded are matching, which is how it should be. We want the ending account balance at the end of 15 years. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take a look. That periodic deposit, the p-value is 750. If I want to know the rate, 6.4% is really 6.4 divided by 100. So I'm going to rewrite my 6.4% as the decimal 0.064. And I'm just going to make note of that up here. Eesh, that's a 0. Sorry, guys. I somehow managed to make that look worse. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the end value for quarterly. Sorry, it's been bothering me that was a different thickness. Okay, quarterly means it happens 4 times a year. So we have that, and then the last thing we need is that time value. And the time value that they gave me on this one is 15 years. So plugging into my beautiful formula, I have B equals, set up that fraction bar with enough space. And this periodic deposit is $750. We're going to we are going to open up 2 parentheses there, and then 1 plus the rate divided by n. And so I have my rate at 0.064 divided by my n value of 4. Boy, all right, we're just have to run with it. That exponent is going to be 4 times the year value of 15. Okay, the whole thing is going to have the -1 and the ending parentheses on it. 2 parentheses after the deposit amount, -1 with parentheses after. Sorry, that doesn't look much like a -1, but we'll try to make it work. Denominator is just going to be the rate over n, which is going to be 0.064 divided by 4. Okay, so I'm going to go type this in just like it looks. When I type it in, I'm always starting with the divide key. And my deposit amount is going to be 750, 2 parentheses, 1 plus the rate over n, 0.064 divided by 4. Only 1 set of parentheses here, and then you can hit that AB key like I did on the previous video, or you can hit Shift 6 to raise it to the power of NT. So the n value is 4, and the time value on this one is 15 years. Arrow over to change your cursor, and then you're going to type in -1. And look, it's telling you need that ending parenthesis. If you don't put that in, it's going to screw up the whole equation. Calculator is only so smart, guys. Then we are going to have the rate divided by n in my denominator. So 0.064 divided by 4 in the denominator. Love it. So ending account balance looks like $74,621, and then 0.497 should round up. What comes after 49 is 50. So we are actually going to have $74,621.50. I'm a little slower on the writing there. So $74,621.50 is my final amount. Just make sure I typed that correctly. And that is all I got to do.